Samsung A5 touchscreen hardware repair. We want to share with you another advice. This time we will show how to fix the touchscreen in a flooded Samsung A5. As you can see, the touch does not react at all. After disassembling the screen and unfastening the tapes, it turned out that here is the problem. As you can see, one path has passed since the flooding. Our task will be to connect the damaged path. We will use a soldering iron with a very thin tip, needle, tweezers and a very thin wire. To get to the copper layer of the path, get through the protective tape. It must be done with a needle very carefully so as not to damage the tape or any path.